three. Thank you.
Hi everyone, this is Pamela Adams coming to you on location with BizLinks TV, and that's my biz, and we are having a great time today here at the Women About Biz Holiday Extravaganza. We're celebrating Small Business Saturday, so I hope that you all are out. We want you to come out here at the DoubleTree Hotel off La Vista Road and support these great businesses that we have. We have one of our wonderful vendors here with us today. This is Miss Alonia Jones, and she is with Dream to Destiny Enterprises. She has a fantastic table over there. If you'll tell everyone what you have going on today.
Yes, I'm very excited, and I want to first thank Trina Newby for doing a wonderful job with Women About Biz, and thank you, Pamela, for having me today. I am excited because I'm on the verge, along with my husband, of announcing a brand new inspirational product line. It's in the making, so we can't disclose it until the trademark is done. But the Bible says, "Occupy till I come."
Okay.
So there are some steps that I can be taking until
right.
things are ready. And I'll give you a hint. It deals with a butterfly. You see my butterfly fin?
Love butterfly.
And it talks about the metamorphosis of life. Everybody can dream. What do we do while we're dreaming? We need to be inspired. So I have some inspirational magnets. The recurring theme that you will see, or the recurring image that you will see, is the butterfly. And it's a symbol of hope and perseverance. So those magnets each have wonderful inspirational messages. And so that's what we're hoping to get out today, just to spread hope and encouragement, because everybody dreams. And I know you can understand in business, a lot of times things are not easy. There are frustrations, there are disappointments. It gets to be very challenging sometimes. But we have to keep going.
That's right.
Keep going, because before that butterfly can become a butterfly, it has to go through a metamorphosis.
That's right.
So that's what we're all about. Our company, Dream to Destiny Enterprises, is a full-service corporate communications company, but we're also a self-help company. I'm a journalist by trade. I've been writing for a long time, a very long time, over 20 years, really 25. And I write from my heart, I speak from my heart, but it's not for me, it's for others, to help push others into their destiny. And actually that's what Dream to Destiny Enterprises is all about, helping you get from where you are to where you want to be, but realizing communication, your written communication, is key. So we've taken that a step further with the inspirational product.
Well, everyone, you heard it. You all need to come out to the holiday extravaganza out here. And when you talk about butterfly, it always reminds me of one of my favorite quotes. That's, how do you become a butterfly? You have to want to fly so much that you're willing to give up being a caterpillar. So we appreciate what you're about to offer. We're excited to really see what's kind of under those covers once you're able to reveal that. Everyone, be sure to come out again. Until next time, let's connect.